Hi, this is Brian at Grimm's Auto Service back again with another quick tip. We got Ashton's car, movie man Mike's girlfriend. She was telling me that she was having a difficult time getting her gas cap out of here, and she's got two different ones, and I can't even hardly get it to go in, it's so tight, and they're the correct ones for this vehicle. But if you look close here, it builds up rust in there, and then the rust squeezes down on that plastic in there, and then it makes it real tight. So what we're going to do is stick some rags in here and try to minimize any dirt falling down in the tank, and then we'll smooth these, grind them out a little bit to make it so the gas cap will slide back in like it's supposed to. First we're going to stick a rag down in here, try to seal it off. Maybe we can shoot some sparks down in there and have a big fireball, and we can get Ashton a new car. I just have a sanding flap wheel. We'll just keep on doing that until we can finally get it feels like if I take that rag out, it might already be good enough. And then I also clean up this lip around here, because that's where the seal on the gas cap seals against there, and sometimes it can detect that as an evap leak. So we'll clean that up, and then we'll put some grease on it to try to keep it from rusting. Blow the dirt out. Get my rag out of there now. Test fit it here. I think she should be happy with that. And the last thing I do is I put some grease on there to try to prevent it from rusting, plus it helps it seal, I think. And this is just Brake Life. It's kind of like a dielectric grease. I like to use it because it's pretty much clear, so if you accidentally get some on your hands while you're gassing up your car and get it on your clothes, it's not going to leave a big black greasy stain. And just put some all around in there. Now she should be able to get it off with no problem. And that's our quick tip for the day.